I'm happy because today Mitre team made us a new playground.
I have seen a few kids peering through the fence and they're like, when can we get in there? So I know there's a huge amount of tension. I think we're going to have quite a few people turn up for the opening today. There's going to be a lot of excitement.
We rely heavily on fundraising to get equipment that we think is beneficial for our children. So to win that and have Mitre 10 come and carry out the whole procedure, it's phenomenally good.
Play really contributes to the development of the child and building their fine motor skills and their gross motor skills. And the challenges that the playground will bring always help stimulate the way that people think.
We've got everything inside, climbing things, monkey bars and walking beams.
We've been trading in Dunedin for 27 years, so we're really well embedded into the community. It's just what we do. We've had our trade guys helping with concreting, we've got our cafe helping with sausage sizzle. It's been really nice to be able to support this school.
You know, they talk about it takes a village to raise a child, and Mitre 10's really stepped up and been part of that village for us. We would never ever have got the playground that we've got without their help and support.
We always wanted a playground, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. We love it. 100% cool. I love it.